Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Independent Contractors versus Employees. Employee classification plays a pivotal role in the realm of human resources, particularly within the framework of the PHRca Certification, which emphasizes the unique aspects of California employment law. The distinction between independent contractors and employees is not merely a matter of semantics, but a fundamental legal and operational differentiation that carries significant implications for both employers and workers. Understanding these distinctions is essential for HR professionals seeking to master the PHR certification. One of the primary differences between independent contractors and employees lies in the degree of control and independence. Employees typically work under the direct supervision and control of the employer, who dictates the work process, hours, and specific tasks to be completed. In contrast, independent contractors operate with a greater degree of autonomy, often setting their own schedules and determining the manner in which they accomplish the work. This distinction is crucial because it influences various legal obligations and entitlements, including tax responsibilities, benefits, and protections under labor laws. In California, the determination of whether a worker is an employee or an independent contractor is guided by the ABC test, as established by the landmark case Dynamex Operations West, Inc. v. Superior Court. Under this test, a worker is presumed to be an employee unless the hiring entity can demonstrate that the worker is free from the control and direction of the hirer in connection with the performance of the work, both under the contract and in fact. The worker performs work that is outside the usual course of the hiring entity's business, and the worker is customarily engaged in an independently established trade, occupation, or business of the same nature as the work performed for the hiring entity. This stringent test aims to curb the misclassification of workers, ensuring that those who are economically dependent on a business are afforded the protections and benefits of employee status. Misclassification is not a trivial issue. It has far-reaching consequences for both workers and employers. For workers, being classified as an independent contractor rather than an employee can mean the loss of critical benefits such as health insurance, overtime pay, unemployment insurance, and workers' compensation. A study by the National Employment Law Project found that misclassified workers are often deprived of these essential protections, leading to financial instability and increased vulnerability. For employers, misclassification can result in hefty fines, back taxes, and legal liabilities. The California Labor and Workforce Development Agency has been vigilant in enforcing misclassification laws, with significant penalties imposed on businesses that fail to comply. The financial implications of worker classification extend to tax obligations as well. Employees and independent contractors are subject to different tax treatments, with employers required to withhold income taxes, Social Security, and Medicare taxes for employees. In contrast, independent contractors are responsible for their own tax payments, including self-employment taxes. The Internal Revenue Service strictly enforces these distinctions, and misclassification can lead to substantial tax liabilities for employers. According to the IRS, businesses found to have misclassified employees can be held liable for employment taxes, penalties, and interest. The economic rationale behind hiring independent contractors often centers on cost savings and flexibility. Independent contractors are typically not entitled to the same benefits as employees, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid leave, which can result in significant cost reductions for businesses. Moreover, the ability to hire contractors on a project-by-project basis provides companies with the flexibility to scale their workforce according to demand. However, these advantages must be weighed against the potential risks of misclassification and the loss of control over the work process. The legal landscape surrounding worker classification is continually evolving, with recent legislative changes reflecting a growing recognition of the need to protect workers' rights. The passage of California Assembly Bill 5 codified the ABC test into state law, further tightening the criteria for classifying workers as independent contractors. AB 5 has had a profound impact on various industries, particularly the gig economy, where companies like Uber and Lyft have faced significant legal challenges in their efforts to classify drivers as independent contractors. The legislation underscores the state's commitment to ensuring that workers receive the benefits and protections to which they are entitled. Practical examples illustrate the complexities and consequences of worker classification. The case of FedEx drivers, who were classified as independent contractors, serves as a notable example. In Alexander v. FedEx Ground Package System, Incorporated, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that FedEx drivers were employees under California law based on the degree of control FedEx exercised over their work. This decision resulted in significant financial liabilities for FedEx, including back wages, benefits, and penalties. Such cases highlight the importance of accurately assessing worker classification and the potential risks of non-compliance. From an HR perspective, ensuring proper classification requires a thorough understanding of the legal criteria and a meticulous evaluation of the working relationship. HR professionals must conduct comprehensive audits of their workforce, examining factors such as the level of control exercised over workers, the nature of the work performed, and the degree of economic independence. Documentation and clear contractual agreements are essential in delineating the terms of engagement and mitigating the risk of misclassification. Training and education are vital components in fostering compliance with worker classification laws. HR professionals should stay abreast of legislative developments and court rulings that impact classification criteria. Continuous learning and professional development, such as pursuing certifications like the PHRca, equip HR practitioners with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of employee classification and compensation. In conclusion, the distinction between independent contractors and employees is a fundamental aspect of employment law with significant implications for both workers and employers. The legal framework, particularly in California, is designed to protect workers' rights and ensure fair treatment. Misclassification can result in substantial financial and legal repercussions, underscoring the importance of accurate worker classification. HR professionals play a critical role in ensuring compliance, conducting thorough audits, and staying informed about legislative changes. Through diligent efforts and a commitment to best practices, HR practitioners can effectively manage worker classification and contribute to a fair and equitable workplace. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At EXCEL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.